how to buy Bitcoin on CoinMarketCap. So if you wish to buy Bitcoin or any other form of cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap app, it is rather quite simple for us to do so. What you have to do is launch the CoinMarketCap app, and this is the interface that you will see. You want to simply go to the portfolio option from the bottom right, and there you'll see under all portfolios it says add transaction. So just tap on the add transaction button right there. It will ask you to select a portfolio, so I will select my main portfolio over here. Then since I'm trying to buy Bitcoin, under the add transaction page I will just select Bitcoin. Enter the amount of BTC that you wish to buy. If I want to buy 1 BTC, I can tap on add transaction over here, and once done I'll be able to enter out my payment methods and so on, and just like that I'll be able to confirm the changes and I'll be able to buy BTC, which will cost me about this much amount of money. This is how I can buy Bitcoin on CoinMarketCap. I hope that the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.